Hello students, how are you? How was going? Today we have a new topic, grade 3, open page number 33. Okay students, open page number 33. Do you remember previous lesson we talked about the fish? Do you remember? We talked about the fish and what are the traits of fish, and frogs grow and change depends on the time. Okay, do you see as shown in this picture? First of all, the eggs hatch in the water, and then born, and then tadpoles and other type, they grow all of the time in the water, and then while they grow up they go to the land and the life continue on the land. Okay, and some of the parts are disappear. For example, tails and gills are disappear and they appear for legs on the land. Do you see? Now they don't have, look at this picture, they don't have tails and they don't have gills for breath. Now they have four legs and they don't have tails and they don't have gills, and they, instead of gill, the frogs use lungs. Okay students, and now today we have a new topic. We have a reptiles. Okay, reptiles. Okay, look at here front of you, bring pencil and notebook. We will start the lesson. Okay students, reptiles. What is the reptiles and what is the traits of reptiles? Reptiles are land animals that have dry skin covered by scale. Okay, underline this definition. Okay, this is the definition of the reptiles are land animals. Okay, it means that they live in the land. Okay, that have dry skin. Okay, the skin is dry and very rough, covered by what? Covered by scales. Let me show you the reptiles. Look, this is all reptiles. Okay students, do you see? This is reptiles. You should recognize the reptiles. Do you see? This is snake and other animals, lizard. Do you see? This is, and turtle. This is reptiles. Okay, now do you understand what is the reptiles? Reptiles are those animals that they live in land. Okay, they live in the land. Do you see, for example, lizard, snakes, all of them are lizard, and turtle. This all are lizard. Do you see? Types of reptiles, for example, shrimp, turtle, tortoise. Do you see? Snake, lizard, and this one, gecko. This is crocodile. Do you see? This is all type of reptiles. Okay students, you should know what is the reptiles. What are the reptiles? Okay, look at this picture, you will understand what is the reptiles. Go back to the scales. The scales are hard plates that protected the reptile's body. All reptiles are protected by what? They protected by the scale. A hard plates that protect the reptile's body, that covered by what? Covered by the scale. Look at the scale. This is do you see? This is scale of snake. Hard plates that protect the reptiles. Do you see? This is what? This is scales that all reptiles covered by what? And protected by this one is called scales. Okay, students? Call it scales. Okay. Scales are hard plates that protected the reptile's body. Okay, underline the definition of the scale. The scales are hard plates. Okay, hard plates as I showed you in the picture that protected the reptile's body. It means all reptiles covered by what? Covered by the scale. Because they live mostly on land. Okay, that's why they should have a very hard plates. Reptiles use lungs to breathe air. Okay, the reptiles use what? Just like a human, they use lungs. Okay, they use lungs breathe air. The reptiles that spend a lot of time in water must come to the surface of breathe air. Most of them first they live in the water but then come to the land to breathe air. For example, a crocodile for instance often stay in water. Okay, but it stays near the surface, so its nose and ears are above the water. Let me show you the crocodiles how. Look, this is crocodile. Okay, it's very dangerous. They live on the water, but nose and eyes are above of the water. For breathe and see the animals are around of the crocodile. Okay, look at this picture. The nose and eyes above and surface of water. Okay, to breathe air. Okay, this is crocodile. Okay, students, now do you understand what is the crocodile? They live in the water but nose and eyes are top of the surface. Okay, students, this is allows the crocodile to breathe and see. That traits of crocodile help the crocodile to breathe and see. Many reptiles hatch from eggs laid on land. Okay, many of the reptiles hatch from eggs laid on land. Look at that, how they laid egg in the land. Do you see? This is the turtle of eggs of turtle. They laid these eggs, okay, on the land. Do you see how they laid these eggs? Do you see? Many of the reptiles are laid eggs on the land. Do you see? They laid on the land. Okay, students, see the turtles hatch from eggs laid on land. As I show you the picture that the sea turtle hatch from eggs laid on land. Okay, what are three traits of reptiles? As I told you, they have what? They have scales. Okay, and they use lungs for breath air. Okay, and the reptiles that spend a lot of time in water must come to the surface of the breath air. This is traits of reptiles. Look at that picture. This is the turtle has a hard shell that protects most of the body. This is a very hard shell that protects the turtle. Okay, the turtle has a scales on its body. This is scale of turtle, very hard and protect the turtle. Okay, students, this is what? This is scale of turtle. Types of reptiles. We have different types of reptiles. There are three main groups of reptiles. Okay, we have three main groups of the reptile. Lizard and snakes are in one group. Snake and lizard in one group. Okay, in one group. Their bodies have rows of scales that overlap. Look, I show you in this picture. This is, they have a scales. Okay, lizard and snake is in one group of the reptile. This one is what lizard and snakes are in one group of the types of lizard. Okay, students, do you understand? Lizard and snakes, they have a scales that protect themselves by the scale. Okay, lizard and snakes in one group, their bodies have rows of scales that overlap. Lizards have four legs. Do you see lizard? They have four legs, but the snake, they don't have any leg. Okay, but lizard, they have four legs, and snake, they don't have. Okay, snake don't have legs. Also, and long tails. Also, they have a long tail. The lizard. And now we have a crocodiles are another reptiles group. Crocodile, they have another group. Okay, students, they have their own group. The reptile. Look at the reptiles. We have crocodile. This is another types of reptiles. This is crocodile. Do you see, students? This is another type of reptiles. Do you see crocodile? Another type of reptiles. Crocodile are another reptiles group. They live in water a lot of time. Most of the time they live in water. They come out of the water to sun themselves. Sometimes while the sun shiny, come to the land to sun themselves. Okay, under the sunlight. Tortoises and turtle make up the third group of the reptiles. We have another group is called what? Look at this picture. We have another type of reptiles, tortoise and turtle. Tortoise and turtle, another group of reptiles. Okay, students, the third group is called turtle and tortoise. They have a very strong scales that protect the body of the turtle and tortoise. They are the only reptiles that have a shell. This is the only one they have a shell. Okay, they have a very strong shells. Tortoises live on land. Turtles live in water. Okay, students, the tortoise live on the land and the turtles live in the water. What are the three groups of reptiles? What are three groups of reptiles? This is the Australian frilled lizard uses fans shaped body part to the scare away animal that is used to scare animals. Okay, students, and this one is what? The crocodile can live very still in water with only its eyes and nose above of the water. As I told you, this helps the crocodiles catch animals that can't see. Okay, and this one like turtles, tortoises have hard shells that protect them from enemies. Okay, students, and let me give you the homework. What are the three groups of reptiles? I told you we have three groups. Okay, lizard and snakes, the first group. Okay, lizard and snakes. And the second group is what? Crocodile, another group, crocodiles, second one. And the third one is what? Tortoises and turtle, the third group of reptiles. Okay, write down this question and give me the answer of that question. What is the three groups of reptiles? Lizard and snakes, first one. The second one, crocodiles. Third one, tortoise and turtle. Okay, write down this question and send me the answer in the group. Okay, students, to my personal number. If you have any question, ask me in the group. Okay, till the next lesson, have a good day. Bye bye.